Mfundisi never called me to come back. I was okay with it. But little did I know, ukuthi after some time, I would then find out ukuthi actually he was doing the raping.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
He was doing the raping. And I'm sorry to say this, but we have a challenge whereby but the truth
Shall set you free.
yes. So you'd find out sometimes ukuthi people that are surrounding the pastor, they know what the pastor is doing.
But yet they are quiet.
Yes, by faga under the carpet, they sweep it under the carpet, mfundis, you know, and then we see this perfect picture, mfundis, which is why now we're looking at so many pastors abayenza izinto snacks, and nanoma thola ukuthi umntwana vele urajiwe or a number of women in the church have been raped, have been abused, they still have lento yokuthi baye court bayo toyitoya bathi umfundisi wethu mkhipheni.